got this fucking payday, motherfucker.
Look, true, you only band you in a bag and you ain't relevant. Getting so much wallet pockets looking like an elephant. Who said that hood girls couldn't look so elegant? I'm coming out my element. Please stay tuned so y'all can watch my development. Cause I'm saucing. Had to wake up early cause the money was calling.
Everything. I forgot how loud that should be.
You missed everything. How you miss everything? Grab what you want. You put this shit down.
Yeah, we just put it up to take the stuff out. This one, this shit heavy.
You gotta unlock it.
I don't know what I want. I tried this one because I got the scope, but this shit is fun.
The bullets is in the bag. Ooh, which one is that? Which one is this? I don't know. Did it use? Yes, it did. Right here.
308.
You gotta,
Huh?
I don't like how my shit don't jam back when it's down.
you ain't even nowhere near where you need to be.
I know. God damn, you pushed my ears, nigga.
Baby.
I'm too high.
That motherfucker loud. No more. 25 shots.
Oh.
That motherfucker hit like a punch, nigga. That motherfucker punching. Brick, nigga.
I'm good.
My fucking ears is ringing.
Hands cold, ears ringing.
You wanna shoot the Glock? Yeah, I'm shooting you the shoot.
See, unlock them.
Shit, where's my keys? You said this one wasn't working?
No, the fucking little one I just bought.
Oh, the little 22?
Yeah. It ain't.
In the back seat.
Just crack it.
Oh. He just keep it loaded in his pocket. Don't shoot your foot off. I'm gonna get some good footage. That shit went through that motherfucker.
Looking nice though.
That shit smoking. it switched? Oh, fuck it. God damn.
You gotta run some shit in your shit, mommy. Okay, now I gotta try this.
I need fucking tissue to blow my nose.
We're gonna mix and mix. We're going to mix and mix. This shit dumb as hell. Bro. I know it ain't gonna work, man. Don't even worry about it.
Damn, my fucking fingers.
I know, right? Because the monitor's just kicking up right now.
Oh, that's fine.
What?
I'm dead. Fucking fingers.
Cause in my other one, it won't work in that mouth figure.
My fucking hands. Hold up.
But see, they shorty birdies. And they still work.
Damn.
You still recording? Fuck you! One feet backwards. I think I like my bigger one better. This one, the kickback when you hit right here, this butt piece hits your whole fucking head. But you do. Run her again.
Ooh, shit, my hands.
And I can bring it up. I don't think I fucking did.
For that one?
Yeah.
Matt just ran it. My fucking hand. Alright.
Fuck it.
Got my fucking hands shaking. I'm so fucking cold.
Oh wait, no, this can't go in there. He put those in here, right?
I think so, yeah.
You put these small ones in here?
Yeah. Fucking cold, goddamn. Fucking fingers is fucking frozen.
Hey, I can stand. Me trying to load this right now.
That's what you piece of shit. How about this? Yeah, I'll shoot you a glizzy real quick. It's kind of tacky.
My fucking hands.
Probably.
We about to have 5 in a clip in a minute.
That's what I mean, but I don't like how I don't like that.
Excuse me, sir, unless you want to be unalived.
Fuck, I didn't forget that you recorded me. Goddamn.
You're
You can't even tell you shot him.
I know. Because with a bullet, it's not really You ain't supposed to shoot right where I'm fucking walking in front of you, stupid.
Why was you going that way? I thought you was going that way.
It don't matter. When somebody's downrange, you're not supposed to shoot it.
Oh, fuck him. He was finna shoot me.
Woo! Jesus. Fuck. I gotta buy some more bullets now.
Why?
It's my last clip.
Oh, this is a 40.
Look, there's bring some 40 shells.
Damn it. Fucking retard.
Oh, fucking hands.
I'm gonna make these, see which ones hit harder. Yeah, that's the 40, that's the 9. Fuck. Wait. I got a 357. Wait, it's not missing. Oh, that's what's in my bag.
Oh, I got your,
No, I don't want that.
because I heard you say
This one
someone
is
was
my
missing.
bag, in my other bag. In my Louis Vuitton bag. Go look in the front seat where I'm sitting at. Another gun in there.
Not the Louis Vuitton bag. LOL.
Here, go ahead and open it. Damn it, nigga, I can't even. Nigga, so goddamn low.
Nigga, I'm telling you, the one I just shot had like 8 rounds in it. Fuck 10. I couldn't finish.
Shit, fuck that.
I couldn't finish.
The ends of my tips of my fingers was like.
Literally. 8 rounds if that, man. I couldn't even finish. Goodness gracious.
I'm gonna warm up as I'm moving them. You know what I'm saying?
Those are ready. Should have been. I don't know why I didn't spike it.
That one was it. The last one.
My lefty is drinking like shit.
All I like to do is play with guns and cars. Guns and cars. I used to love hoes, but fucking bitches. They ain't nothing but fucking hoes and bitches. Come on, hold on. Do it the way. Do it the way. Bitch, got it. Come on. Bitch, got it. Go. Hey, you ain't.
Watch yourself, bitch!
You can hear the bullets flying. You want to shoot this one?
What's that?
By the 9. Compact. Ready to go.
All right, let me finish loading this one.
All right, well, give me my shit.
All right, no. All right, here, you load this. Load this. Load that. You shot the confiscate, doggone.
I mean, the 40, I mean, all these motherfuckers within a fragment of a meter within each other.
But I just like how the spark kick off the 45.
Yeah, it bring that girl up. You like the kickback.
No, I like the spark.
He spark, well, every gun spark, nigga. That
This 9 ain't sparking like that.
All right, ear off this one. Golly.
Here you go, 380, nigga.
There you go. Swap.
You give me my shit back empty.
It's all love.
Come on, mag dumb bitch.
Wait. All right, hold on. Magged up with one hand. Recording the other.
Where we going?
Hold on. Where we going?
Ready? Shit, man. All right. 1, 2, 3.
Fucking dead.
Shit, what time is it? Shit, I don't know.
Like 11.
Shit. You got time if you want to stay.
Shit, I don't give a shit. Shit, we might be getting the car to load these bitches, though. It's cool. I love this one.
Man, we gotta go. I'm going back. I gotta go back to Bymart.
What?
You put this shit back in here like that?
What?
Upside down?
No, I didn't load it last. He did.
He was just on his brothers. I bet.
Fucking man.
Cool.
Dang, get my fucking hands. It's 35 minutes. I wonder how it's gonna be when I cut this shit up.
10 minutes.
Nah, hell no. Probably not. I'm gonna let that shit run.
You still ready on the camera?
I'm gonna turn it off right now, so I took it off.
Why we can do dust busting while we going?
But then be like, I forgot you were recording. Come on, weirdo. I'm dead.
Okay, when you got the 380?
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah, here goes the magazine.
There you go, one.
Nigga, you gonna reload that same magazine?
Shit, it's only
10 rounds.
3 more. Yeah, it's only 3 more.
Well, 3 more. You can load them all at once instead.
I'll do it once you finish. I'll finish fucking.
All my shit out when I get home. Re-oiled everything. All the magazines.
That's it.
Alright.
Get
See, it's good 8. It's a good 8, man.
Dry that shit out. Go back to it. I told you, man, these motherfuckers be working.
I know. I was just going based off what YouTube said. So
I'll buy whatever they selling for one time. Shit, if that shit don't run through my gun, it's another gun that will run through.
I don't like how my barrel's so loose though. This shit, you hear that?
Yeah. Just slopping it.
Because I feel like I'm accurate, but I don't know. This shit be shooting every. Like,
Well, son, if you're accurate, your gun will be accurate. Shit,
I'm already knowing. I feel like that's probably why they sold it. They're like, oh, this is a piece of shit.
No, it ain't like they shoot the guns that come in.
No, I'm talking about the people who sold it to the pawn shop.
Oh, yeah.
Bye, have a great time.